If you are new to RC hobby and confused which radio to buy, then FlySky FS-i6X radio is for you. But why? Watch this video till end for the answer. Budget and professional features are two main things that are considered while purchasing a radio. If you have a low budget and want a radio with professional features, then FlySky FS-i6X is the radio you are searching for. It is the best receiver in the market for RC hobby because of its affordable price and professional features that it provides. You can fly quadcopter as well as airplanes. Like all modern radios, it works on 2.4 GHz frequency. It is a 10-channel radio. You get 4 channels on sticks. 3. 2-position switches. 1 3-position switch and 2 knobs. FS-i6X is a programmable radio. You can customize different features according to the requirements. It has trim and sub-trim feature to electronically adjust rudder, elevator and ailerons mechanical errors. Safety lock functionality can be configured for the motor. The motors will not start if safety lock switched is on. This is a good feature to avoid injuries in case of accidental starting the engine. You can bind it with 20 different receivers at a time, which means you can save up to 20 profiles in its memory for separate quads or planes. While operating your different RC toys, you don't need to bind it again and again. Just switch the profile to operate another RC toy directly. FS-i6X is telemetry supported. Telemetry is a technology that makes it possible for you to get real-time information on LCD screen of radio. For example, battery voltage, temperature, GPS info, altitude, signal strength, etc. The radio comes in different modes. But by Mode 2 radio, a Mode 2 RC transmitter controls the aileron, roll, and elevator, pitch, with the right hand, while the rudder, yaw, and throttle are controlled by the pilot's left hand. It is the most common configuration, and most new transmitters are configured this way. Mode 1 moves the throttle function to the right stick and the elevator control to the left stick. Most transmitters have the facility to change modes. This is usually a pretty involved process that requires you to disassemble the transmitter and move the stick controls. FS-i6X comes with a cable with which you can update its firmware. Its input voltage is DC 6 volts. 4 AA batteries of 1.5 volts are required to power the radio. LCD display of the radio sucks power, so will drain the batteries quickly. However, with battery mod, you can convert it into a rechargeable radio. It has 2 small antennas with a range of 500 meters. Means that you can fly in about half-kilometer radius. Its range can be further increased with some modification. FlySky FS-i6X is an upgraded version of FlySky FS-i6, which is a little bit cheaper too. Both are exactly same. The only difference is the number of channels. FS-i6 comes with 6 channels while FS-i6X has 10 channels. However, firmware of FS-i6 can be upgraded to enable it to support 10 channels. If you want to save a little money, then buy FS-i6 and upgrade its firmware. Otherwise, there is not much difference between price, so I recommend buying FS-i6X. If you want to know how to further extend its range and want to convert any radio into a rechargeable radio with a low-cost battery mod, then stay tuned. More to come on this in coming videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.